Oh boy.
We are on our way on our very first family vacation.
Yay.
Now that they've opened up everything from COVID, only in BC where we live. We're traveling to Victoria. We're staying at an Airbnb and YURT. I have no idea what it is.
It's like a tent with a frame.
As long as it has a toilet, I'm very happy as a little clam.
We're actually glamping. Okay, glamour camping.
Yeah.
Yeah, we packed for 2 weeks, but we're only gonna go for 3 days. That's what happens.
And then Moki's really excited, taking the ferry to Victoria.
Passengers on the outside deck should whistle will sound. Well, it looks like we've made it to our lovely destination. I really hope it has a bathroom because it looks like a tent from the outside. I really hope it has a bathroom. Mocha is super excited and he wants to go exploring, so come on with us. I heard a chicken.
That's a rooster, honey.
Whatever, I heard some. It's a very interesting chicken. He's got weird, interesting feet. If anybody can tell us what this type of chicken is, it has this type of feet, that would be really...
feathers on his feet?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is cool.
You like it?
I like it. Oh, look, Mocha, there's a bed for you. Look, Mocha.
Oh.
The yurt that we stayed in is 350 square feet with a ceiling that rises 14 feet and has a large skylight in the center, letting in lots of natural light. Yurts are traditional Mongolian houses that have been around for over 2,000 years. They are comprised of a circular platform that is raised off the ground. There's a lattice for the walls, rafters that are equally spaced, which makes up the frame of the roof, a compression ring in the center that the rafters are attached to. There is a cover that goes on the top. At one time it was insulated with wool and canvas. Now they use modern materials. Let's check out the bathroom. Look, it has a toilet and a shelf for your towels and a basket and a rack. And a beautiful shower. Where's our towels and stuff? Okay, so your name is?
Ruby.
And can you tell us a little bit about the yurt and what made you decide to build it?
I had some friends that needed a place to live, and they were farmers, and I farm this all on my own, so having help is huge. About 14 years ago, her dad built the platform, and then we all put it up together. It went up fairly simple, but we did bring in power and water, and it's all self-contained. So it was a bit of work, but definitely less than building the barn behind you.
How many people have you had come and stay since you put it on Airbnb?
I only started Airbnb-ing it like 6 weeks ago, and I've been full pretty much every night.
Every night?
Pretty much. So it's been good. I met lots of really fun people.
What's inside of it? Because I know I felt some sort of an insulation.
Yeah.
Is there a thermal insulation?
There's 3 layers, so there's the canvas on the inside, and then there's like a foil insulation, which is the same type of foil insulation they use in spaceships going up into space. And then there's the outside green canvas. I hand wash it every 2 years. It's about 15 years old.
Wow, that is pretty.
I raise lamb and chicken for sale. I do a lot of produce. I have quite a large orchard. I do eggs. And I sell them to a lot of my music friends.
And right behind us, she has a studio that has a grand piano. She does play the guitar, and she has a group of people that come over and
Jam, and we practice songs, and yeah.
have a lot of fun.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, it's too much. I have a dog kennel, that's what I name it.
Okay.
So you kind of peel the skin off and then just eat the inside. Oh, and it's, some people can't do the texture because it's like see, but they're amazing.
Oh boy.
You've never seen these big animals before, have you?
Remember the smell.
Maybe.
If it bucks you in the nose, don't run me.